Hi, hello, welcome back to my mummy's channel, Paru Ravi Vlogs. Yay! So, today we are back again with veg mix paratha. So, let's quickly see the ingredients. So, we have taken here a handful of grated carrot, then here are chili, garlic, ginger, and finely julienne onions, and then finely chopped capsicum and boiled smashed potatoes, so along with butter. So this, and now these are the dry masalas, including chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder and cumin again, then garam masala, salt and ajwain. So salt is to be added when you're preparing the stuffing, okay, not right now. So now let's include carrot, okay, finely sliced carrots. Now we'll add onions to them, the julienne onion. Yes, onions, more. And now let's go for finely chopped capsicum. And now let's make it a tricolor by adding potato, smashed potato. Actually, you can go for other veggies also, but my family is not that fond of other veggies, so we are just preparing the basic one. Now let's add finely chopped chilies, garlic and ginger as well. Okay, go. Yes. And now at the end we'll add some finely chopped coriander. And now let's give us slight mix. And now we will be adding the dry spices. There goes our chili powder and ajwain. Now this is turmeric powder. This is cumin powder. See, I'm not adding the salt, I'm just skipping it for later when we'll give a mix, finally when we are preparing the parathas. Now this is the garam masala, and this is cumin, that is jeera, whole jeera. Okay, now see, it will be like this. And now I'll be mixing it. So like adding salt loses, like it gives out the moisture, right? And for making the parathas, that is not that good, so that's why. And see, the mixture will be like this after mixing it, like after giving it a nice mix. Now you need to prepare a ball like small of handful sides. Now take a same sized chapati dough, and you need to like mold as kachori. Okay, like how we make kachori, you have to mold the dough like that. And then you need to place the stuffing, the stuffed ball, and you have to wrap, yes, like this. You have to pull and wrap, and you need to chop off the excess dough. Even if the small amount, that doesn't matter. It should give a nice shape. Okay, give a nice round shape, so that when you so rolling will also get easier, and it will give the round shape. Now like dust the dough with flour, and slightly press it so that the mixture gets evenly spread. I'm dusting it again. And now gently roll, okay, using the rolling pin, like all over 360-degree. Even if it is in like this, it's okay. Now I have preheated the cast iron tawa. Okay, if we make it using cast iron, it is very nice actually. Like my grandma used to say this. And now you have to place that paratha and apply ghee. Okay, don't think while applying ghee like we are taking this much. Okay, it's very healthy because ghee is actually healthy. So see, like you have to apply ghee on both the sides and you need to fry thoroughly. Okay, and boom, that's it, your paratha is ready. So you can actually serve it with ketchup, you can go with dahi. Okay, you have to add butter to that, and here it is the homemade thecha, that is green chili and garlic thecha, and that's it. So thanks a lot. If you like the video, like and comment, and also subscribe.